Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. It's pause for thought with cat and dog cakesicles. Start by melting some white chocolate. Split it into 2 bowls and add ivory food colour to one. Get some popsicle moulds and pour in your melted ivory chocolate, spreading it out with a spoon. Do the same with the melted white chocolate for the other 3. Now refrigerate for 30 minutes and meanwhile add vanilla cake crumble and cream cheese to a bowl. Mix them together. Now using your fingers, press down some cake mixture into each mould. Add in your popsicle sticks. And pour on the remainder of your melted chocolate, starting with ivory, and then the melted white chocolate. Spread it out evenly and refrigerate for a further 30 minutes. Once it's set, you can remove it from the mould and add fondant decorations to create your dog or your cat. Using a variety of colours and designs. And there's our tomcat. That's how easy it is to make cat and dog cakesicles. Get creative and enjoy.